Oga, you sure say you go fit do this work? Abeg, if you no go fit do this work, tell me, make I give am aboki. I no want problem.
This one I work. This one I work. Last week, I cleared 4 plots of land under 20 minutes. See this cutlass? And my hand, I scatter like this. I've been in this business for 48 years. Jesus! So if you give me this work, do fast. Because like this now, they call me for another 6 plots of land.
So how much is your money?
Just 8,000 naira.
Okay, I'll make it 10k.
10k? Yes. In the next 15 minutes, come here, you no go see this grass. You go be like say somebody swallow am.
No.
I see this work. This work will reach next week. Sure. And this man never pay me.
You don't know why it's going on.
A terrorist is somebody who kills for the purpose of drawing attention to himself.
This money small, oh. 1 million naira work, I collect for 10,000.
Jay! Help us, help us. There is God.
Buy your copy water mineral, yeah. Buy your copy water mineral, yeah.
I beg, come. Come give me water, I beg. Mercy, collect cook, I beg. Don't worry, when I work finish, I will pay you.
I mean, I need a set credit too.
No worry. Just trust me. Once they pay me, I will just settle you one time. I beg.
They never show you say how many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Good job. Nice one.
Oga, na 1 million naira work, now you give me for 10,000 naira, so. I don't understand, so this place big. I saw they see snake everywhere, like a zoo, I declare.
Jesus!
Oh boy, where my money?
Oga, calm down now, I will pay you now.
For 4 years now, you don't meet 10,000. Now calm down, you dey tell me.
You think say they wise?
Hey!
Nah, bro, I won't give my money. My mama they wait for me. I beg, can't give my money.
You know, say you just can't collect my money now.
Nothing concern me.
Don't be Chisa be that.
Chisa?
Yeah!
Brother,
No, your brother be that.
now my brother will be Navy officer.
Jesus!
No.
Chisa? What do you do here?
And everybody they look for you for compound.
Maybe this brother will collect my coke and pure water. No one pay me money since.
Oh, so now you Abi? You follow for those people where they buy something for all these small girls, you know one pay Abi? You!
Today, you go see for guide room.
Bros, calm down. I'm just an agent.
Come on,
And
shut
you are
up,
foreign,
which
right?
agent? Come on, which agent?
Bros,
You're mad.